June 2008 Core 2 question 6 is our binomial expansion. It was done really well by my class using this new method. We're doing to the power of 3, so we just go 1, 3, 3, 1. When we go through the x's, we want none of them, then one of them, then two of them, then three of them. And the ones, well, 1 to the 0, 1 to the 1, 1 to the 2, and 1 to the 3. And so it all works out to give 1 from the first bit. This bit here in the middle is 3x's. And then we've got 3x squared, and we've got an x cubed on the end. And virtually everybody wrote the answer really nicely, like they were supposed to. I'll do the second one as well, but I'll go really quickly here. It's to the power of 4, so we're going 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Same pattern as we had before. Go up in the powers of x's, go down in the powers of 1's, and we're going to get here again, we're going to get a 1, we're going to get 4x's, 6x squared, 4x cubes, and an x to the 4 on the end. I don't think anybody got that wrong. They did go wrong here though. We've now got this 4x here, and so really all we're replacing is we're replacing all of these x's with 4x's. But we must be careful that there are brackets around all of these things. Now, 4x to the power of 0, that's not having a problem. That's still just 1. And 4 times 3, that's not a problem. If people got those right. But there was people getting this one wrong. Look, we've got 4 squared here. So we've got 16 times 3 is 48x squared. And we've got 4 to the power of 3 here, which is 64x cubes. That's what that one needed to be. This one now needed to replace everything with a 3x. So a 3x, and being careful with all the brackets in here, a 3x each time. Again, it starts with a 1. This time I've got 4 times 3 is 12x's. Now I've got 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Then I've got 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 27. Times 4 is 108. And finally, at the end here, I've got 3 to the power of 4. So I've got 81x to the power of 4. Well, altogether there, we've got 8 marks now. And now the last bit just says, can you take them away? And so look here, I do 1, take away 1, cancels out. I'm doing 12, take away 12. That cancels out as well. Now I'm doing 54, take away 48. That's 6x squared. I'm doing 108, take away 64. That's 44x cubes. And I'm doing 81, well, there's nothing to take away, so I've just got 81x to the 4s on the end there. 10 marks, and so I've got a lot of 10 out of 10s there. Well done. Here's the mark scheme for it. Do make sure you show those answers there. You don't just leave it in that column method there. You actually show the answers. And there's the answers at the end.